Okay, it's Sandy's cookbook. Alright, I'm over at the little food pantry. It's pretty much what this one looks like. The size of them and color just depends on who sponsors it and everything. This is sponsored by one local churches here. It's a pretty good size one. So, this is one of the bigger ones. Got the eggs down here and get the fresh produce. And up here I got the soap. This is this is only about a couple blocks from my apartment, and then it's used mostly by homeless people. So that's why we got food in here they don't have to cook to eat it. But try and help out your neighbors. The hard times they're going through right now. They're basically going having a rough time. This is Sandy's Cookbook.